Hello everyone, welcome back to AAS Publishing. We're going to continue with the fifth installment of this series on the AAS Journals Business Model. So as we talked a little bit more in detail in the last video, the primary purpose of the journals is to increase scientific integrity. This is job number one. And we do that in some of the obvious ways, taking out the pseudoscience, stuff that's not suitable for publication. Facilitating the peer review process and providing long-term preservation of data on articles. And then there are a number of things which are unique to the AAS journals, which are value adds and help ensure that scientific integrity. So what I want to do in this module is discuss some of those non-unique or those unique things that we do to help improve the quality of a manuscript. So astronomy, as you probably well know, is increasingly driven by software, by big data, by statistics, and ensuring that these aspects are correctly handled systematically improves the quality of the published articles in our journals. And I just love this image of the big data and astronomy image on the bottom there. So one of the ways, the unique things that we do is to ensure that data quality is we employ two full-time data editors. Dr. Greg Schwartz, which is on the left there in the image, and Dr. Gus Minch, who is shown there on the right, each one giving presentations at, I think it was the AAS 227 meeting. So what they do, one of the things they do is they review submitted manuscripts and suggest edits for data, for figures, and software citations. And typically, at least when I do my reviews, I will include this in the letter to the authors that accompanies, for example, a referee report. And it will go something like, in addition, the AAS editors offer the following suggestion, which I encourage you to consider, and then it'll be something that you may want to consider in a revision of your article. So this is one of the things the AAS editors, data editors do. They also provide many forms of author support, including the development and support of AAS Tech, which most authors use to submit their manuscripts. And they also encourage best practices for using online repositories and data linking. So stuff like using Zenodo for code repositories and things of that nature. They also drive a lot of the data initiatives for the AAS journals, such as interactive figures. If you haven't done one, that's something you may want to consider in your future article. And they work in collaboration with the community archives and the science platforms to improve data linking among articles. So data editing is one way that the AAS journals helps improve scientific integrity. Another way that we do that is the AAS journals has a dedicated statistics editor, astrostatistician Dr. Eric Feigelstein, who is a professor at Penn State University. Perhaps several of you know him from his textbook and work. And so the statistic editor reviews submissions that include a significant statistical component and may offer suggestions on how to strengthen the statistics in accordance with current best practices in the field. And so typically I will use these in, again, my letter to authors when they do a revision. So it would go something like, in addition, the AAS Statistics Editor offers the following suggestions, which I encourage you to consider. And again, this is to help increase the scientific integrity of the article on its way to publication. So we have AAS Data Editors, we have AAS Statistics Editor, and to help broaden the reach of our articles published in the journals, the Society developed AAS NOVA, which is a portal to help disseminate our authors' work to the community and, perhaps more importantly, to the broader community. Below there is a screenshot of a relatively recent AAS NOVA cover webpage of some of the highlight articles that have been published across the AAS journals, AJ, APJ, APJ Sup, APJ Letters. And it's AAS NOVA editor, Dr. Susanna Kohler, that she produces these summaries of research articles and ensures that that work is shared among researchers, journalists, and the general public. And there's Dr. Kohler, I think at AAS 227, talking about her work with AAS NOVA. So in sum total, our data editors, our statistic editor, and the AAS NOVA editor add important value that helps increase the scientific integrity of the field as these articles move forward toward publication. So that's what I wanted to say a little bit about some of the extra unique value added by the AAS journals. And we'll have one more in this series on the AAS business model, and I hope to see you then. Thanks. Bye-bye.